The alternative to a torch down membrane roof is EPDM. This is a piece of EPDM roofing system, and this is put down with an adhesive. Much like the original roof that was installed here, the torch down roof that was installed, you break it down, the old system, take it out, and you put in on the concrete slab a glue, some kind of adhesive. This then is placed on top of that. Then a different glue is used when it overlaps one piece onto the second piece, and so on and so forth. This is much thinner material, and the problem with this type of material is if anybody walks on it with high heels or it punctures very, very easily, the water will get through the puncture mark and get down below that to the insulation, soak the insulation, and the insulation obviously will get wet and water will start to find a way to get down to the resident's apartment. More and more often, roofers are starting to use this type of system. It's called a cold fluid application. That's where they take this rubberized system, they roll it on over the old roof or on a new roof, but typically on an old roof, and it creates a swimming pool effect where no water can penetrate this roofing system. This is a very expensive system. A 5-gallon bucket of this particular system costs almost $300. The purpose of using this type of roofing system is that it can be applied over an old roofing system. So that prevents the expense of having to rip out an old roof and putting down a new roof. So although that this is a much more expensive product to use on an old system, it will prevent you from having to go through the expense of having to rip out an old system.